kids, welcome to the maths class. Today's topic is multiplication with 3-digit number. So, the main objective of today's learning is to understand how to multiply with 3-digit number. Before starting with the topic, let us discuss what is multiplication. The product of two or more numbers is called multiplication. This is the symbol of multiplication. Kids, before multiplying any number, we must remember the number that is multiplied by another number is called multiplicand, and the number by which another number is multiplied is called the multiplier. So now, let us take an example and understand the topic more clearly. 268 multiplied by 121. As you can see, first of all we will write the place value table above the number, that is ones, tens, hundreds. Remember kids, we will start multiplying the number from the right hand side, that is from the ones place. So from the right hand side, which is the first digit, that is 1, we will multiply 1 with all the numbers given above. So let us begin. 1 8s are 8. So we will write 8 at the ones place. Then 1 6s are 6. We will write 6 in the tens place. Then 1 2s are 2. We will write 2 in the hundreds place. Now we have multiplied all the above numbers with 1. Now we will move on to the second digit from the right hand side. Now before starting the next step, we will put a cross just below 8, that is in the ones place. Now we will multiply 2 with the above digits. So let us speak the table of 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16. Since 16 is a 2-digit number, so we will write 6 down and 1 carry. Now 2 6s. As we know, 2 6s is 12. Carry over 1. So 12 plus 1 is 13. As 13 is a 2-digit number, so we will write 3 down and 1 carry. Now we will multiply 2 with the next digit, that is 2. 2 2s are 4. 1 carry. 4 plus 1 is 5. So we will write 5 over there. Now we will move on to the third digit from the right hand side, that is 1. Now before starting the third step, we will put 2 cross just below ones and tens place. Now let us multiply 1 8s are 1 8s are 8. Then 1 6s are 6. And 1 2s are 2. Now we have multiplied the above number with all the given digits. Now we will draw a line just below it. After drawing the line, we will put a plus sign at the left side since we have to add all the products. So when we add all the products, we get the answer 32,428. Now kids, let us solve some more examples so that the concept is clear to you. Now kids, let us take this example. 216 multiplied by 213. As you can see, I have written the place value table, that is ones, tens, hundreds. Now we have to start multiplying from the right hand side from the ones place. So which is the first digit from the right hand side? That is 3. So let us pick the table of 3 and multiply all the numbers above. So let us pick the table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18. Since 18 is a 2-digit number, so we will write 8 down and 1 carry. Now next, let us multiply 3 with the next digit that is in the tens place. 3 ones are 3 plus 1 carry over, that is 4. So we will write 4 over here. Now next is we will multiply 3 with the next digit, that is which is in the hundreds place. So 3 twos are 6. So we will write over here 6. Now since we are moving on to the next digit from the right hand side, we will put a cross in the ones place, that is just below 8. Now we will multiply 1 with all the digits above. So 1 6 1 6 6. So we will write over here 6. Next is 1 ones 1 ones 1. So we will write over here 1. Next we will multiply 1 with the next digit, that is 2. 1 twos are 2. Now we will move on to the third digit from the right hand side. Before that, we will put 2 cross now. 1 cross below ones place and 1 cross below tens place. Now let us pick the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12. Since 12 is a 2-digit number, so we will write 2 down and 1 carry. Now let us multiply 2 with the next digit, that is 1. 2 ones are 2 plus 1 carry over, that is 3. So we will write over here 3. Now let us multiply 2 with the next digit, that is in the hundreds place. 2 twos are 4. So we will write over here 4. Now we will draw a straight line below this. Now what we have to do? We have to add all the numbers. So we will start adding from the ones place. Since in the ones place 8 is there and 2 cross is there. Cross means 0. So 8 plus 0 is how much? That is 8. So we will write over here 8. Now let us add the tens place. 4 plus 6. Let us count 6 after 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is a 2-digit number. So we will write 0 down and 1 we will carry. Now 1 plus 6 is how much? That is 7. 7 plus 1 is how much? That is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. So again 10 2-digit number. So we will write 0 down and 1 carry. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3. 3, 4, 5, 6. So we will write over here 6. Now 4 is given over here. Nothing is there. That means it is 0. So 4 we will write over here 4 itself. Now we will draw 2 lines just below it. So our answer is 46,008. Let us take the next example. 732 multiplied by 104. As you can see, I have again written the place value table, ones, tens, hundreds. Let us now start multiplying from the right hand side from the ones place. So we will multiply 4 with all the digits first. So let us pick the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So we will write over here 8. Next, we will multiply 4 with the next digit in the tens place. So 4 threes are 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. 12 is a two-digit number. So we will write 2 down and 1 carry. Now let us multiply 4 with the next digit, that is 7. 4 sevens are. Let us speak. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24, 4 sevens are 28. Carry over 1 is there. So 28 plus 1, 29. Let us write 29. Now we will move on to the next digit from the right hand side, that is 0. Before that we will put a cross just below 8, that is in the ones place. Now kids, as we have discussed earlier also, anything multiplied by 0 is always 0. So 0 twos is 0. So we will write over here 0. Next 0 threes are. 0 threes are 0. So we will write over here again 0. Now next 0 sevens are. 0 sevens are 0. So again over here we will write 0. Now we will move on to the next digit, that is 1. Before that we will put 2 cross. 1 in the ones place and the other in the tens place. Now let us start multiplying with the third digit from the right hand side, that is 1. 1 twos are. 1 twos are 2. We will write 2. 1 threes are 3. 1 sevens are 7. Now we will draw a straight line just below it and we will put the plus sign since we have to add all these numbers. Again cross is there, so cross means 0. So 8 plus 0 is 8 itself. Now 2 plus 0 is 2 itself. Next 9 plus 0 is 9 itself plus 2. 9 plus 2 is 11. Since 11 is a two-digit number, so we will write 1 over here and 1 carry. Now 1 plus 2, that is 3. 3 plus 3, that is 6. So we will write 6 over here. Now nothing is there, that means 0. So we will write 7 over here. Now we will draw 2 straight lines in this way. So our answer is 76,128. Now let's recall what we have learnt today. We have learnt multiplication with 3-digit number. So let us revise the steps to multiply with 3-digit number. The first step is to write the place values above the given numbers. Step 2. Start multiplying the numbers from the right hand side, that is from the ones place. Step 3. Take one multiplier at a time to multiply all the given multiplicants. Step 4. Add all the products and write the answer at the end. I hope kids you have understood how to multiply with 3-digit number. Now complete the homework that has been given to you in your SNAP homework. Thank you.